Hello, hope you are doing well. So I am Moin Ahmed from Skybyte Agency. So in this video, I will show you how to add your Google account to your GoHighLevel account. Okay, so how to connect that. So if you go to the settings, first of all, if you go to the settings, from there you will find the integrations, and then you can see the Google. Connect your Google account to account features such as Drive Sheets, email analytics, and AdWords. So all those things will be connected once your Google account is connected. Click on connect. Will open this type of tab. Then you will select your account. First, your account is already, if your browser is already connected to a Gmail to your Google account, then it will automatically drop this option. So I have already connected my Google account, so I am selecting this. From my mobile, I am selecting this, selecting the number 3. Yeah. So you are signing back into LeadConnector. Will connect my Google account. So select all these options so that it works perfectly. So see, my account has been connected. I click on it. My account has been connected. Okay, so this is how you will connect your Google account to GoHighLevel. Thank you.